How to mirror a video in Edits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the mirror effect. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle, you can see this project icon. Simply tap on this project icon. So here in this project settings, here you can create a new project or even open the older ones. Here I'm tapping on my older project. So I'm in this editing platform now. Now in order to mirror or have mirror effects, simply tap on the video or the stickers that you want to mirror. Now here on the bottom, if you swipe right, you'll be able to see this mirror option. Simply tap on mirror. Now as you can see, it has this mirror effect and it has been changed into a different position. So you can apply it to the one that you like and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.